Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time multiplayer. First, you will need a compatible emulator or a fan-made PC port, such as Ship of Harkinian, which supports netplay. Ensure you have the correct game assets or ROM file. This setup allows for a unique cooperative experience, letting you explore Hyrule with up to 4 players simultaneously. It transforms the classic adventure into a shared journey, offering new challenges and fun. To begin, download a modern emulator like Project 64 or the Ship of Harkinian PC port, which offers robust multiplayer features. Next, acquire the game's original ROM or necessary assets. Install the software, and then meticulously configure your controller settings. This step is crucial for smooth gameplay, ensuring every button press registers correctly. Many ports support various gamepads, offering flexible control options for all players. Once your software is ready, decide who will host the game session. The host will typically generate a unique connection code or IP address. Share this information with your friends so they can join your game. Most netplay features allow up to 4 players. If you encounter connection problems, check firewall settings or ensure everyone uses the same software version for seamless play. Playing Ocarina of Time in multiplayer offers a fresh perspective on Hyrule. You can explore dungeons, solve puzzles, and battle enemies alongside up to 3 other friends. Many mods feature shared inventory, allowing players to coordinate item usage. Synchronized actions, like pressing switches together, become vital. This cooperative approach adds a new layer of strategy and enjoyment to a beloved classic, making every adventure feel brand new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.